Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anywhere you are in the world, welcome. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. This is Wellness Channel. We talk about how we can live well, joyful, peaceful, and happy. Today's topic is clutter. What is clutter? You can define clutter as you want. Clutter is having so many things in a space that you cannot move freely, you cannot be in peace, you cannot even find something that you are looking for. That is clutter. How do we get to having a lot of stuff in our homes? For me, I look at it as poverty mentality. What is poverty mentality? When you are preoccupied with scarcity and fear of losing things, that is poverty mentality. Who can get poverty mentality? Anyone. Whether you are educated, whether you are rich, or whether you are poor, anyone can get stuck with poverty mentality. Okay, how can we get away with it? You just have to make a decision. When you are ready, you can decide that you don't need 100 bags. You don't need 50 pair of shoes. You don't need 1,000 skirt or blouse or jacket or coat. You don't need many furnitures in the house. A piece of furniture that is not being used can be thrown away. You don't need all the china. I used to have many chinas. I removed them. I gave it out and I was free. You don't need so many pencils or pens. You don't need so many phones. Just make a decision. You don't need so many jewelries, which I have. I'm trying to give them out. Just decide what you want. Decide why you need all those things. It's so personal. Are they keeping you back? Are they holding you back? Just this week, we are looking at the clutters we have in the house. Is it saving us? Is it making us joyful? Is it holding us back? So take a look on what you have in your house, in your closet, even in your mind, and make a personal decision. I will see you next week. Be useful.